I built a diesel heater box build for my off-grid van, and it ended up being one of the smartest upgrades I've done. I mounted the heater inside a heavy-duty electrical box, cut in a clean vent on the side for fresh air, and ran the warm air outlet through a small hole in the rear door so the heat flows straight into the van. Once everything was wired, bolted down, and the exhaust was routed safely, this little setup ran like a champ. It stays protected from the weather, it's portable if I ever want to move it, and it heats the van way better than I expected. If you want a simple, reliable heater setup for cold nights, building a box like this works insanely well.